What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy KIDD-LEKE with 2 D's and 2 E's. And welcome back to another video on Need for Speed.
Oh my god. Y'all already know what time it is. When I get on the camera, you already know what time it is when I get on the camera. You know what I'm saying? You already know. How you doing? Good morning. Alright. What's the deal, man? Sack boys. SAUCIE Mob, man. What's going on with y'all today, man? I know I ain't been posting in a minute, but it's okay, because I'm back at it. You feel me? I had a little delay and some stuff. Had to go through some things. Had to get some stuff for y'all, man. It's a lot I had to do to perform on my next level. So, it's going to be a lot of new content, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, we back with it. But hold on, let me show y'all something right quick, bro. Look at this. Look at this, man. It's fucked up how bad it is out here. But look how nice this shit look. Look how good this look. Look how good this look. Branches falling, man. Hold on, I gotta fix my shoe and junk, you know what I'm saying? But look how nice this junk look, man. It looks so pretty. It looks just so pretty. You know what I'm saying? Look, branch falling on the side of the road. Now, how the hell you supposed to get through this? Hold on, look, you see how bad the road is, bro? But hold on, look. How you supposed to? Look, it's a branch in the. Damn. People been leaving out through there. Wow. People ain't had to go over the grass. Damn. Well, that's fucked up. But anyways, man, you know what I'm saying? I gotta go around like everybody else. But anyways, you know, I gotta feel. I don't want to feel left out, so I gotta do what everybody else. You know what I'm saying? Let me go this way. Shit. But anyways, you know what I'm saying? I got new videos. You already know my prank wars ain't over, man. You know, it's still the winter time. I'm still in the prank wars. I'm not playing. It's finna be litter than what you already seen, man. You know what I'm saying? You done seen my pranks. You done seen what we got in store, bro. And it's just the beginning. So now it's time to finish, man. You feel me? Well, I don't even know. Is it a finish line? It ain't no fucking finish line. You feel me? Because I'm KIDD-LEKE with 2 D's and 2 E's, and I don't give a fuck. So listen. You know what I'm saying? Prank wars. We back at it. You know what I'm saying? Back with the challenges, man. We doing it all. This weather is crazy, but we doing it all, man. KIDD-LEKE. You know what I'm saying? Y'all about to go through this day with me, man. We about to do this. It's lit. You feel me? That's all. It's lit. It's always lit. It's always lit with SAUCIE Mob, man. It's always. It's never not lit. But I'm going to catch y'all in a minute, man. Stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Bundle up if you in Detroit, you feel me? Bundle up if you in this weather, man, because it is cold as hell. Y'all see my hands, you know what I'm saying? Ashy. But bundle up, man. We at it. This look like some movie type junk. Look. It's pretty for sure. This look like some movie type junk. For real. Wow. Banker.
Farmer? Uh-oh.
I ain't no farmer.
So we had, that's all right. Who wanted a farmer? I got you.
I'm a banker.
You're a banker?
I make that cheese.
Oh, it was you who wanted to be a farmer. Okay, 2 farmers there. Third hour, we deadlocked 5 against 5, and we had to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What do you want to be?
Carpenter.
You want to be a carpenter? Look at you. How about you, Mr. Moore?
A carpenter.
Carpenter? Ooh.
Oh, you got
2-2. What do you want to be, Mr.
Carpenter.
Oh, I've never even played with a carpenter before.
I'm banking.
Miss Myron? Carpenter, banker.
Oh, they about to have a meeting here? You know what I'm saying? Got the camera rolling. Man. Blake, can you get in out of it, man?
I am.
Is it in, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Hey, what's wrong with this man?
Quarters come on.
Hold on now. Quarters up on yeah. Blake, would you ever marry a transgender? How do you know that?
Hopefully not.
So you telling me you would never marry a transgender?
No, I wouldn't.
So if she right here was a transgender and you didn't know it and y'all dated and got married, then what?
I kill her.
I'll kill you first. I'll kill you dead.
Huh?
Hi.
Hi.
Get the chia pet.
Don't even talk. That's grass.
What's grass?
Chia pet.
Chia pet is grass?
Chia pet. Grass.
Who that is?
Man, I ain't doing that for your little YouTube
Who
channel.
that is? On YouTube, you know what I'm saying?
He's
You know
vlogging.
what I'm saying? Who that? Question. Would you ever marry a female?
Depends on what type of female.
Oh my god.
What do you mean? It's only.
I'm not bi, but I used to be.
It's no such thing no damn used to be.
It was a phase. Phases.
Why do y'all always say it's a phase?
Phase, you know,
Ain't no
damn.
phase.
It is a phase.
Y'all was. You probably did it for fun. So it's a phase. So you telling me all girls go through that phase?
It depends on if they switch from liking a girl to a guy, just going straight, or going pansexual. It's a phase, like an emo phase, and then they start to like grow and self-confidence and stuff. So it could be a phase. If you like girls and boys, or just girls, and then you're like, you know what?
So you think
I'm gonna just try it.
So you saying being gay is the phase
For a boy?
for a girl?
Yeah, they
Because
can have that
being
type
gay
of
for a boy
phase.
is just being gay.
Maybe they want to have a baby, but there's other ways that you can have like a baby, and
But if you a guy,
you can go
you're
through a
gay.
phase too.
that's just disgusting.
That's just like maybe you're not really
But
like,
Blake,
into
you
it.
get what you saying? What she's saying, bro? She said that girls go through phases being bi.
It's like
But you can't say that. Like, how is it a phase? I just feel like if you buy once, you gonna be bi again. But I feel like most girls just do it for fun.
You like eating pussy.
Like, I'm gonna have to crop that out.
it's a whole example right here.
You gotta crap that
I
out.
went through a
Yeah,
phase.
You know what I'm saying?
Went through a phase of liking
Hold on,
girls.
hold on. I'm just, cause you
I'm gonna
saying.
look it up. No, I can call all owners.
I always said we should stay
What's
here.
wrong with you? She better call fall on our pieces.
Anything after that. You
Look.
said-
No, we don't do that. Do not do that, bro.
Stay, you said-
They got the PS4, man. The PS4.
Take that
Put
one.
it back, bro. Put it
That one's probably
the
hers.
box back.
Yeah, it's time to put the box back, bro.
What's wrong with you,
Put the box back, bro.
weirdo?
Put
I am a
the box-
weirdo.
Put the box back.
You're not my daddy.
You not my dad. Always trying to say something. What do you say?
Hey, my friend, put the box back.
No.
It's dark.
You
It's
don't
gonna be
eat
right
it.
here.
She bought it for everybody, not for you.
Nobody trying to get busted. No game. I don't hear. Listen, whoever not on my team, you gonna catch a L. Okay? You don't want the smoke in this black top. It's finna go down. Am I lying, Blake?
You know.
I'm not lying. I'm not lying. And you gonna witness it. While you over there all
One, put on.
sad looking.
One, put on. What? Put on.
I be the same way, bro. I swear to God. It's finna happen that way. Best believe it. So, who on my team? You got IT? I like that. I like that. I like that. You okay after that? I know I whooped you kind of bad though. You feel we whooped him? Can't like we did do it. No. I don't want to hear that. No, I don't want to hear that. Actually, I would like to. They don't even have a replay. I mean, they don't have a replay. Last point had to bang it on his head, huh? Ain't no replay, bro. But it's okay. It's okay because was that last play cold?
That was cool. I'm not gonna lie.
You like that? Bro, was first game not a fluke? Only reason why they won was because he came in with Curry just pulling dumb jump. And they was giving it to him. Only because he was on fire. Stuff he would have never made, bro. Well, he probably would have made that in real life. For sure. Here go the Xbox bum. It's okay. Hey, pipe down. Pipe down. It's all right. It's all right. I understand. I understand. It's okay. I understand. Bro, you a weirdo, bro. What you doing?
How you prepare? Just don't like it.
This man is oh my camera, man. Give me my camera. Why you want this y'all king?
This y'all king.
Look, the camera not even on you.
I said this y'all king. It's on you, fool.
Give me my phone.
This y'all king.
Bro, stop.
This how y'all looking up to. This is y'all letting get the cam.
Stop playing with me, bro. Right. Bro, stop playing with me before I have to.
This man loses.
Bro,
Barely
you
gets to win the
wasting
second
battery.
And think he's some sort of god or something.
I am a god. I am a god.
He ain't nothing
I'm a god.
but a little ass boy.
I'm a grown ass man. What you talking about? That's right. My camera, boy. What's wrong with this man? He wanted to run it back to get a whooping, so. But where my player go, bro? Huh? Where our players just go? I had. This nigga Paris a weirdo. He always pressing stuff. Oh, you got D'Angelo? Man, I'm getting, bro. I'm getting my man, the best scorer in the league right now. You feel me? James Harden, you know how I'm doing it. The beard. All right, bro. Stay safe, bro. Listen, man, it's going down in Northland, bro, again. Cops everywhere. People getting mad. When I tell you it's literally over, look, they not playing. Over 16. Nah, I was about to say 16. Over 10 police officers in the back and in the front.
What the fuck going on, though?
Bro, and they just had a helicopter in this boy.
What the fuck
They
happened,
had,
fam?
bro, Sack Boys, Jack Boys, all of them rolling people, bro. Injured, like I'm talking about, and then hopping on tip with the police officer.
What?
Bro, dog, they was deep as hell, like, I want to say about 40 of them. I ain't
Jack
even lying to
Boys,
you.
though?
Hey, look, I ain't even lying to you. 40 of them, all of them, look, all of them over there.
Was this rolling, niggas?
Then ran through here. Dog, the glasses coming out of skating. He got to running. Everybody started chasing him, jumping him, bro, stomping on his head.
Hell no.
Then the cops coming up, and they hopping on too with the cops. The cops locking like the rest of at least 6 people, bro. I ain't even lying to you. At least. But I got a YouTube, so I got to record. You feel me? I got a YouTube. You feel me? So. First hand, man. This is first hand action. These 2 of them got hit, and they was crying about it. They got hit. Cops everywhere, bro. Look. Yeah, that's how they do it, man. That's how we do it.